channel, and in case you're new here, my channel is everything home decor. Now if you haven't subscribed yet, do subscribe because I have some insanely cool content coming your way. So on today's video, we're going to create a round wall shelf using drum rolls, please, hula hoops. So these are not hula hoops, they are PPR pipes. I've already spray painted them black. They're usually green in color, and you can get the PPR pipes in a hardware store, and you can get the hula hoops in a supermarket. So for hula hoops, they're actually ready-made, and why I went to the PPR pipes, it's cool. The place I'm at is like, the supermarket is like really far, and we're trying to stay near home. So I went to my local hardware store, and 2, it's stronger, 3, it's cheaper. Like here, it's way cheaper. Actually, for the 2 PPR pipes I bought at 350 Kenya shillings, and 1 hula hoop is 400 bucks, so that comes to 800 bucks. If you check closely, you can see there is something over here which is a connector. So since it's 1 pipe, and then now they have to bend it and connect it with something over here now, which is also green in color. In case you're wondering whether this connection can come off, really it can't come off, because when you're at the hardware store, make sure they, what's the word, wachomele. So make sure I think it's called electro induction. They use the electricity to connect over here, so they'll have to melt the pipe and then fix it and then connect it to the connector. So it's like really firm. And yeah, you'll see I already spray painted it, but you'll see the color of the PPR pipe in the video, like somewhere in the video. And the materials we're going to use 2 hula hoops or 2 PPR pipes, and then wood, 2 of them, and I'm going to use a drill today. It's my first time using this thing. I'm hoping, like, I literally prayed so that like this thing doesn't move on me. So two pieces of wood. Measure the spaces where the length of the wood will be each fixed at towards the end of the hoop. Mine was 50 centimeters each. I also went to a local wood workshop where I bought 7x6 wood. They sanded it for me and cut it into 4 pieces. 2 for this project, which is 50 centimeters each, and the other 2 for another project. Entirely, I wanted a rustic wood finish, but I didn't find one, so I got something close, which I didn't like, but it does the job anyway. So tell me in the comments below how you find it. I don't know if I'm the only one, but when I envision something in my mind and it's not coming together, I keep on trying and trying until I get something close to that. So yeah, this is me trying to find the right amount of color that makes my soul happy. Leave them to dry. It so happened that there was some plumbing works being done at home, and I hijacked my dad's workers and told them to show me how to use a drill. Remember, we had taken the 50 centimeter measurements and marked the point. So at the marked point, drill a hole 4 times on each PPR pipe. So in total, there will be 8 holes in both PPR pipes. Join the pipe using screws at the 4 holes you've already made. to attach one of the pipes to the wall. Add other 4 holes on the pipe that will be fixed on the wall. So make sure you align the holes made on the pipe to the holes made on the wall so that the screw can pass through the pipe into the holes made on the wall. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's project. I couldn't explain how a drill works because it's another whole skill, and if you want to make such a shelf for yourself, you can pay someone to drill it for you. And that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share widely, and comment down below. Tell me how you found the video, and I guess that's it for today, guys. I'll get you right back here next week.